Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss all the basic definitions of electrical circuits which will be useful to you throughout the course, and you can understand all the circuits better, and I will be using these terms in all the further videos. That's why you have to understand all these terms accurately. So first definition is electric circuit. So electric circuit, it is an interconnection of physical electrical devices like energy source, energy converter and conductors. That means connection of these three, it is called electrical circuit. So now the question comes in your mind that what is energy source, what is energy converter, and what is conductor. So let us understand that. The first definition is energy source. Energy source, it is a device that converts chemical, mechanical, thermal or some other form of energy into electrical energy. Okay, so it is a kind of source which converts chemical, mechanical or thermal energy into electrical energy. It can be cell, it can be generator, it can be current source or it can be battery. Next definition is energy converter. Energy converter, as its name indicates, it converts energy from one form to another form. So here we are talking about electrical energy. That's why it converts electrical energy into light or heat or mechanical work. And it can be anything. And that's why it is called load. We connect load with the supply. Next definition is conductor. So it is a material which has large number of free electrons so that the current can easily flow through it. All the materials with resistivity less than 10 raised to minus 3 ohm meter are called conductors. Next is linear circuit. Linear circuit, it means that as its name indicates, it has linear components. Now, what is the meaning of linear component? It is a resistive element for which the voltage ampere characteristic is straight line, and that's why they are called linear, and electric circuits containing only linear resistances are called linear circuits. So which has VI characteristic straight line, those circuits are called linear circuit. And next definition is non-linear. As its name indicates, it has resistive elements for which voltage ampere characteristic is other than a straight line. It is not a straight line. It can be anything else characteristic. Those elements are termed as non-linear, and the circuit containing them are called non-linear circuit. For example, diode and transistor. If you will see VI characteristic of diode or transistor, it is not a straight line. Next definition is bilateral circuit. So it is the circuit whose characteristics are same in either direction. In either direction, its characteristic is same. That's why they are called bilateral circuit. That means if you are supplying from left side like this, you are supplying from left side, and then you are looking at their properties and characteristics, and in the next circuit you are supplying from this side, suppose. So in both sides their characteristic remains same. Of course the direction of current it will be changed, but characteristic does not change. Those type of circuits are called bilateral circuits, and example is transmission line. Next is unilateral circuit. So it is an circuit whose characteristic or properties change with the direction of its operation is called unilateral circuits. Means if you will change the direction of current, then its characteristics will change. For example, if you are connecting diode with the circuit, so in forward bias it will conduct, and in reverse bias it will not conduct. So when you are changing the direction of supply, its characteristic is changing. This type of circuit is called unilateral circuit. Next definition is passive network. So it is a network. A network is said to be passive if it contains no source of electromotive force. That means a network without energy source is called passive network. And opposite of that is active network. When a network contains one or more energy sources, it can be EMF or current source, it, it is said to be active network. Next definition is junction or node. It is a point in a network where two or more branches meet. That particular point is called junction or node. We will be doing nodal analysis also. So in that case, the node term is used. So you should know both terms. Next is loop. A loop is a closed path in a network formed by number of connected branches. So if you are connecting resistance like this, so this you can say it is a loop. So it is a closed path formed by a number of connected branches. Branch. A branch is any section of a network which joins two nodes directly. So if you are connecting any two nodes or junction with any element, that particular thing is called branch. And next definition is mesh. The elementary part of the loop is called mesh. Means the smallest part of the loop is called mesh. If you have network like this, so you can say here in this particular network, you can say this is one loop, this is also another loop, and the outer side, this is also a loop. Okay, so there are three loops in that. And if someone asks how many meshes are there, so elementary means smallest part only you have to consider, so 1 and 2. So there are two mesh over here and three loops. The smallest part of the mesh so smallest part of the loop is called mesh. Subscribe and share this YouTube channel. I am going to cover all basic electrical engineering concept in this channel. Thank you.